welcome back to my channel. It's Ray. If you're new here, welcome. Today I wanted to share with you some pieces that I picked up recently, and these pieces were designed by a fellow YouTuber. Her name is Kim. She has a YouTube channel called The Chic Natural, and she has recently launched her own jewelry line. And because I am subscribed to her channel and I love her content, she does a lot of cooking videos. She is a vegan, so she does vegan dishes, and then she also does a lot of styling videos, clothing hauls, lookbook type videos, things of that sort. I was intrigued to see her jewelry line. So she wears a lot of jewelry with her pieces when she styles her looks, and she said a lot of people would ask her where her jewelry came from and things of that sort, and she finally let us know that it's her own jewelry line. It is called Second+c, and so I wanted to go over and support her and pick up some pieces if I could and share them all with you. So if you know about the Chic Natural, that's great. If you don't, hopefully you will go over and follow her after looking at this video. So anyway, her jewelry comes in a white box with the black words that say Second+c, which I thought was very unique. It has a little black pulley here, and that's what you do. You pull out the box, and on top of the box you will see a little black card that says thank you for your order. So basically it is a thank you card from Second+c, and it gives you 10% off your next purchase. So underneath that card you will pull out a little black pouch like this, and inside the pouch are the pieces that you have ordered. So I picked up a few of her pieces and I wanted to share them with you. So the first piece that I picked up was this necklace here. If you can see it, it is a lock, a little lock on the necklace. It is called the Therese lock necklace, and I thought it was very cute and unique. It looks really good. It does have a little bit of an extender on it, so you can make it a little shorter if you want to, or you can make it a little longer if you want to. So I have mine right about there, but yes, this is really nice. I do want to say that the lock does come with the chain. The chain is 17.5 inches with a 1-inch extender, just so you know. So those of you who like longer chains or whatever, you know, you can have it a little bit longer. This necklace is 14 karat gold plated over stainless steel, so it is going to be sturdy, and I just thought it was a really cute. So I picked it up. I'll try to link all this stuff below if I can, and have the prices to it if I can below. Now I did get this stuff on sale because, like I said, at the time that I picked up some of her products, some of these items, she was having a 25% off sale, so I took advantage of that, and I also took advantage of the 10% discount because I bought this necklace and these earrings first, and then she had a 25% off sale, so I picked up a few other items. So to go into these earrings, the next thing I purchased were these hoop earrings with a little key on the end. These earrings are called the Adrienne hoop earrings, and I thought they were unique because they have the key. A lot of people have regular gold hoops or regular silver hoops, but they don't necessarily have hoops with keys on the end. So I thought that was neat, and I paired these two items together because a lock and key, get it, lock and key. So I thought, oh, let me pair those two together, that might be cute. So these earrings are 2 inches in diameter, and these are 18 karat gold plating over stainless steel. So again, very strong, very good materials, and they should hold up well. Of course, you don't want to always swim in your jewelry or take showers in your jewelry and things of that sort. If you do, you know, here or there, I don't think it would hurt it too much, but it's not something you want to do continually if you want your things to last. But I thought that this was cute. You can definitely dress these earrings up or down. I just have them with a white t-shirt today and some jeans because I was out and about, but I wanted to bring them to you today. So I thought that these were really cute and unique. She does have this same earring style in a smaller hoop, so if you wanted something smaller, you don't want something quite this big, she does have a smaller set that you can pick up instead. I do want to say that the keys are removable off the hoop, so if you want to wear the hoops by themselves, you can. So technically you're getting two earring styles in one with the key, and if you take the key off, then that's a whole nother earring that you have. So yeah, that's one of the things I wanted to show you. So the next piece of jewelry that I wanted to show you was a bracelet. The bracelet that I picked up is called the Celine Cuff Bracelet, and it looks like this. What I like about this cuff bracelet is it is adjustable. So because it's adjustable, you can tighten it or loosen it as you need to for your wrist. So if you are someone with a slightly larger wrist, you would be able to fit this. And if you're someone with a smaller wrist, you can tighten it and make it a little bit tighter on your wrist. But I thought that that was really cute. And this cuff bracelet is 18 karat gold over stainless steel. Here, let me get this out of the way. That's my Omega. That's old. I've had this for years. But anyway, this is what it looks like. So right now it can go all the way down here. But if I wanted to wear it here, all I would have to do is tighten it up, and I would be able to wear it here. This is perfect for layering, and so I thought it was cute. I don't have it tightened where I would want it tightened. It's a little bit loose on me right now, but I can tighten it up once I put it on, or have my husband tighten it up on me or whatever. But because it's stainless steel, it is quite durable, and it is not the easiest to tighten. You are going to have to kind of tighten it before you put it on, or be really strong, because it's not that flimsy, weak jewelry that you get sometimes that you can just barely touch it and it bends. So that's nice. The next thing I picked up was another pair of earrings, and they're a little different. Can you see that? Very different. And I like the hook on it, how it doesn't close. It's open, and it's great for me because I have thicker earlobes. So if you are someone who has a thicker earlobe, then these would be perfect for you. So I'm going to put these on so you can see them. These are called the Thalia water drop earrings. And they just slip right onto, they just slip right into your ears. So those are nice. That's right up my alley. These are a nice everyday pair of earrings, but they're not hoops. They're shaped a little bit differently, and because they have a little hammered look to them, it gives it a little bit of extra pizzazz. So I think that these are cute as well. These two are 14 karat gold plated, and this is over zinc alloy. So these are not stainless steel. This is 14 karat plated zinc alloy. They're 1¼ inches, in case you wanted to know. So the other ones I tried on, remember, I think that these were over 2 inches, but this is 1¼ inch. So that'll kind of give you some kind of idea of how large they are. But yeah, those are cute. And then last but not least, I picked up these ear cuffs. Can you believe that? I have one hole in my ear. I don't have extra piercings, so I don't have piercings all up here, but I think it's cute. I just have never done it. And so I thought, I can have the look of a piercing up there with these little ear cuffs. So they look like this. These are called the Kenna Ear Cuffs. They come in small and large. I believe I picked the small. I probably should have got a large with as big as my ears are. But you just, look at that. You just cuff it onto your ear so it looks like you have a second piercing. And you can place it anywhere you want to. You can place it up high if you want. You know, you can put it there if you want. So you can kind of put it wherever you want. And it's a set of 2. See that? Cool. So this would be something, these cuffs would be something I would wear if my hair is pulled back or my hair is up, so you can actually see it, because you can't notice it too much with my hair like this. But they are there. So those are cute. So for those of you who would like the illusion of having multiple piercings in your ears, but you just don't have them, this is an option that you can go. So like I said, they come in large and small. I got the small ones. And these are also 14 karat gold over sterling silver. And you just press them to close them. These are 3 millimeters in diameter, in case you wanted to know. And then the larger ones are 6 millimeters in diameter. So you can get the larger ones if you wanted them to show a little bit more. But I thought that was cute and unique. So I wanted to bring some different things to you for this video. A lot of times you will see people, you know, doing the Ana Luisa jewelry, which, you know, is nice jewelry as well. But I haven't really seen anybody showcasing second+c, who is a Black owned, woman owned business here on YouTube. Started her own jewelry line, so I wanted to make sure that I let you guys know about her. And her jewelry is nice. It's, like I said, 14 karat gold plating or 18 karat gold plating over either alloy, sterling silver, or stainless steel. So it's really good quality as far as I can tell, for reasonable pricing. Again, I will try to link all this stuff in my description box if I can, along with the pricing. She just had a 25% off sale recently, so of course I did not pay full price for a lot of the stuff that I got. I don't know how often she has sales. You'll just have to keep checking back. But again, if you order something, you do get a small card in the box with 10% off your next order. So if you wanted to get something else, use this card to get that 10% off. The shipping was not expensive at all. I think it was like $4 or less. So that wasn't bad. And this stuff came like that. I'm pretty sure I got this stuff in like 2 or 3 days. It's like she sent it out right away. So I'm gonna tell you, both shipments came very quickly. I didn't have to wait a long time or anything like that. When I tried to use my 10% on top of the sale that she was having, I had an issue using it. I contacted the company. They got back to me right away. They fixed it, took care of it. I haven't had any issues. So far the customer service has been great. So if you're looking for a Black owned, woman owned jewelry company to support, I would say check out second+c. Again, she is a fellow YouTuber. Her YouTube channel is called The Chic Natural. I will have it linked below as well. Her name is Kim. You can actually follow her on Instagram as well. And again, guys, I just love the uniqueness of the packaging. I like that it's black and white, just very sophisticated. Her things come in these little velvet pouches, and you can store your jewelry in these pouches when you're not wearing them. And then they just kind of just slide into the box with a little pulley, and it's just very clean, very fresh. I just like it. And it so much fits her because she is a very minimalistic in certain areas. Her very clean as far, you know, just straight lines and things of that sort. So like the box is just kind of straight lines. It's nothing oval. It's not, you know, trying to do too much. It's just very sleek, elegant, sophisticated. It just fits her, and I like it. So I am pleased with the purchases that I have made. These earrings are going to get a whole lot of use because they're everyday size, and I love gold earrings to wear every day around this size. These will get some use too when I want to pizzazz it up a little bit. You know, I'm going to be wearing the cuff, and I will probably layer it with some other pieces. But guys, these are just a few items that she has. She has a lot of other earrings and other bracelets, necklaces on her site. If you want things that are a little bit thicker, more chunky, she does have the chunky bracelets, you know, the chunky chain link bracelets, the chunky necklaces, the herringbone necklaces. She has all of that on her site. So go over, check it out, please. Support her. Let her know I sent you. And yeah, that is pretty much it for what I have to show you today. But I am proud of her. I want to just give a shout out to the Chic Natural. So proud of you. Congratulations on launching your jewelry line. And I'm sure she's going to be adding more things to her collection as the years go on. So yeah, that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up because it really helps out my channel. Make sure you subscribe if you have not already, and hit that notification bell so you'll be notified of my next upload. And until next time, thanks for watching, guys. Bye.